Njira ndene mutaaramu na kujukia kanya na gucokia biuria biaku BIEGIE ageni ba MWERI bamwe kuru no tarĩria kinya na weru rangi iria ageni ba MWERI babatere kwithirwo bari na cio na gitumi kiayo kwithirwo iri na rangi yumbikia kurega gukaraburu THARIKE. Tiga tucokie kiuria kimwe kiria mutegereru TV auritie kethira rangi ya period niwa yena igisignify kwina kethira kwina problem. Normally period imbio period tugani yumaga ke the inner lining part of the uterus na it contain fluid, the water fluid or blood na kinya tissues share part of the uterus, the endometrium. Non to know damne where enyingek when one is having a heavy bleeding, it were red. Non to ni a lot of it is blood. There period de kwamberia no yamberia ere color like something darkish kana ekegwa ere something like pinkish. Again, this is because utena ndamu yenyinge in the content inu ya periods na mononi part of the tissues here inside the uterus. Ngona nya sometimes their period kiambe were color ya whitish, pinkish. Na bore kuendelea gatuka no turn red. After periods kure bakai baja bakawa bona periods na bone periods ekaya kadira 5 days. Alafu nyuma ya pengine 2 ama 3 days eko period akon another bleeding ekeja. To a certain extent no iwe kure kureba bakiona na ni normal no ino yeyanagia na kwithirwa there periods ekuma from inside the uterus yuma apora egatriko kidogo na imo no itigare kwere ndeni gatwika cervix ikuingana mbere itira mayonde na still kwenda kumere in the uterus. Kure kaiwa ekuingia in the uterus ekauma ere like odd periods na ndio we change it rangi kawe ere dark. Kwa period we keja after 2 or 3 days after period kodira ewa ere dark in color. Do I know still normal? The only problem would be akwa kwena thina ni kwethirwa okaya kwethirwa mwe corona na infection in the uterus. Alafu kwena period ni atuka held up. Kwa kiuma eyomba kuma ere na harufu ekenunkaga. Ewu no ntuba kwethira kwa kwena germs in the uterus, alafu kwena this blood enoko eutuka ni accumulate in the uterus, yomba kwewa tema bacteria shumba gukura na inya na ikaongereka. Kwa ikiume kama ena smell. So kwa period ruma ere just dark na itena smell, that is normal. Lakini kwa ruma ere dark na ena smell, that is a sign ya kwena infection na ikawe need some treatment. I hope ngochokia kiuria yako.